Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today let's solve test paper 8 of class 10 from Total English book. So as usual, you go through by the question number 1, 2 and 3. Let me provide you the solution from question number 4. Question number 4 is the comprehension passage. So you have to read the entire passage and then you have to answer the questions that follows. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solution. So the first one here, for each word given below, choose the correct meaning as used in the passage from options provided. So the first one, notify, which means inform. So here option D is correct. Second, furnish, which means supply. Here option C is correct. Second, which word in the passage is the opposite of cheerful? So here option A is correct. Agonized. Next question number 3 here, answer the following questions briefly in your own words. So the first one, in what way could Kid look like Uric's lost son? Consider his age, origin and his tattoo. So you can have your own answers according to your understanding, but then I am providing you the answer. So the answer could be Kid could look like Uric's son because he was of the same age as Uric's son. He was a Spaniard, could speak Spanish, and was from Texas, a place where Uric's son was supposed to have run away. He could get a flying eagle tattooed on his hand, just like the one which Uric's son had. Next question number B. What did Uric do after his son was lost? What was the reaction of Lady Uric then? So the answer will be Uric spent thousands of dollars to search for his lost son. His wife was completely shattered, but she never lost the hope that her son will come back to her. Next question number C. What was Thacker's intention in sending Kid to Uric's house? So the answer will be Thacker wanted Kid to act as Uric's lost son and at the first opportunity flee with all the money which Uric kept at home. Next question number D. How did Uric and his wife react at the consulate after meeting Kid? So the answer would be Uric's wife looked at Kid with questioning eyes. She then set her eyes on Kid's left hand to see if he had the same tattoo which her son had. When she saw that, she embraced Kid to her heart. Next, number E. Why did Kid not abide by the scheme proposed by Thacker? So the answer will be Kid did not abide by Thacker's scheme because he saw in Uric's wife a doting mother and did not want to upset her. Further, he wanted to repent his act of killing Uric's son. Next, question number 4 here. We have to explain briefly the plan made by Thacker and how it failed at the end. And here we have to write in not more than 50 words. So the answer will be Thacker had planned to send Kid to Uric's home to act as Uric's lost son and flee with Uric's money. But his plan failed when Kid refused to act according to the plan as he found a doting mother in Uric's wife. Besides, he wanted to repent for killing Urik's son. Next question number 5 here. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the word given in brackets. So you read the passage. Let me provide you the solution. So the first one will be environmental, second, spinal, third, revealed, fourth, involving, fifth, bacterial, sixth, originated, seventh, studied, and eighth, hinting. Next question number 2 here, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The first one, students missed classes during the sports week. B, the river water flows between these two canals. C, the tutor went through or over the difficult sums. D, I came across a good article in a magazine. E, do not let your enthusiasm carry you away. F, we waited for the usher to conduct us to our seats. The houses in Japan are made of wood. H, I could not make out the figure in the darkness. Next question number 3 here, join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, or so. So here we have to select the correct options. So here I will read only the correct options. So the first one, Raj had left office. The letter of his dismissal arrived afterwards. So here correct option is A. The letter of Raj's dismissal arrived after he had left office. Next, number 2. It was cold. I refused to wear that heavy coat. So here option A is correct. In spite of the cold, I refused to wear that heavy coat. Number 3. These shoes are big. They are much bigger than my feet. Here option C is correct. These shoes are much bigger than my feet. Number 4. A man is wearing a blue tie. He is the president. Here option D is correct. The man who is wearing a blue tie is the president. Next question number 4 here. Choose the correct option to rewrite the following according to the instructions given after each sentence. So the first one, we found a few boys in the class. So here we have to use many boys. So here option B is correct. Many boys were absent from the class. Second, does anyone like paying a fine? So here you have to begin the sentence with no one. So here option C is correct. No one likes to pay a fine. Next, number 3. Now I cannot lend more than 3,000, the manager said. So here you have to begin with the manager said that. So here option D is correct. The manager said that he could not lend more than 3,000 then. Number 4. It was a very narrow escape. Here we have to change into exclamatory sentence. So here option D is correct. What a narrow escape. Number 5. To get a top rank in the examination is laborious. So here you have to begin with it. Here option A is correct. It is laborious to get a top rank in the examination. Sixth, they rejected our suggestions. So here you have to use accepted. Here option B is correct. Our suggestions were not accepted by them. Number 7, to buy a house in Delhi is very difficult. So here you have to begin with it. Here option C is correct. It is very difficult to buy a house in Delhi. Next, number 8. English is spoken by people all over the world. So here you have to use speak. So here option D is correct. People all over the world speak English. And if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.